back of my mind. What's up, y'all? We in the truck. 10:54 a.m. I'm eating cookies. Life is good, man. No, for real, it was 140 pallets today. Went in there through 140 pallets. Oh, I'm tripping. I forgot I had that thing on the tail of my truck. Let me go close my doors real quick, y'all. I got a pallet on the tail of my. I'm gonna explain when I get back in the truck. No, but so my next stop, they don't got a dock. They got offloaded off like they little like the side of their building, but so since they gotta do that, and I was on the dock in this place, what I did was I took their pallet that they're getting and I dropped it on the tail of the trailer. So now when I get there, I just gotta open the doors and they'll pull up with the forklift, pull the pallet off. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? How you doing? I'm good.
Good. Thank you.
Yep, see you next time.
You all right then?
Yo, I'm so starving. Is that like the right way to say that? I'm so starving. These cookies from the vending machine saved my life, y'all. I'm telling what I'll be going to do right now. Oh. It's cold out here today, y'all. I think the high is like 57 today. That's crazy. That my baby.
I heard these niggas want some smoke with them babies. Bullet exited, can I throw no white flag? I made a choice, so I'm thugging. Don't give a fuck, cause when it's up, I drop most dangerous block in the red. Up on a nigga with that Glock that I just bought.
Yo, I need ideas for what to cook. I want to cook something in the truck, but I don't know what. I need ideas. What do y'all want to see me cook? I think I'm posting this video today too, so I might cook in the truck tomorrow, matter of fact. I might cook in the truck tomorrow, matter of fact. Honey talking like that, my baby. Yeah.
Boy, still on my sound now, boy. Feel like I'm really the king of my city. With me 38 on me and I'm feeling so special. Nigga, when I open my eyes, I look in the sky, hoping I make it to heaven. You can have family ties. But niggas move like you sneeze. For the enemy, you told me never say never, and you told me you will never get me set up. But I was just set up already. Any nigga could tell you no telling. I just see niggas sell on their brothers. Them niggas was there for you when you was struggling. I gotta keep the family fed. Just know the possible. I feel them coming, nigga. I keep on running, nigga. If we go down bad, keep it 100. Down, I gotta get what's mine out. Be talking to the end of time. But I got your back, was I wrong for that shit? Tell me, is we too grown for that shit? I don't really get along with my peers. Everything that they do to me is weird. And I know, broken heart when I see one. We can be alone. With me alone. 22 many things to see and do. 23 looking for the 24. 25 by the time to be alive. Why do I feel tired? But the same old.
I've been popping shit for real. It ain't shit that you can tell me. And I keep some shooters around me, just like Marco Benedelli. I pull down the minutes, I feel like Braun in 2014. Trap house jumping, hella cussies, pull up dope fees. I sell my soul before I buy a bitch a fucking ring. Clip full of bars, feel like I'm told Mr. Clean. Daniel. Who that? That be that nigga you can't fuck with.
Can't solve my problems, I need help for real. I go to sleep and wake up shaking, dream to all my fish. I try to talk, but they ain't listen, must ain't wipe their ears. Stay strong through all the years. I just hit 21, ain't got no son, but I feel like all these niggas been talking about some ways to get rich. flowers, man. And if it fall down, you know that you can call on me.
So, I made some arrangements, I dubbed out the halls, I booked you a plane trip. Try me like, bitch, why you lying? And we got chemistry. My heart broke into pieces, I need one I can ball. I know I'm hurt right now, but I think about it.
You got me losing. Look like my Bristol. Losing. About here before? I think I had. I had we boats and stuff back here. I think. They hit the lights in it. Yo, it's really cold outside, yo. It's like 8. I think I already said, but it's cold out. I think it's supposed to be like 35 degrees tonight, bro. We got backup right there. I gotta add coolant in my truck with my light just came on. Like, what's up, bro? Look, let me go see what's up. Hey. Hey. Just back up a little bit. Can't even really see for her. That'd be good, right? Let's see. Yeah, cool. Take her on. I was here for 10 minutes, including what I just had to do.
Going to 13164 Hastings Road, Jacksonville, Florida.
My truck is in like a big puddle right now.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Where away?
1/4 mile. Turn right on West Park Avenue.
Glad I got there before him.
Turn
He got
right
deliveries
on West
too.
Park Avenue.
How y'all do it? They go home, bruh. Brother. One GPS got me getting home at 1:51, and the other one has me getting home at 3. What? Yeah, you taking hair on? They trip. They trip.
Continue 1
Sure.
4 miles to the end of the street, then turn right.
Alright. Now it got me getting on that too. That's what I'm talking about. Because I made a right turn. It was gonna make me go left and add 30 or add basically 40 minutes to my ride. What the what? Bro, what are you talking about? I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit, bro. Whoa. Y'all can stay put right there. I'm at Chick-fil-A. It's been a long time since I actually went to Chick-fil-A like physically. I always order it. But we here now though, so yeah. If y'all can y'all know my order. Chick-fil-A deluxe sandwich meal, right? Fries. This time I went strawberry milkshake on them. This time. With nuggets and a mac and cheese on the side. A little big bag, but look. Sometimes you just gotta eat, yo. I mean, like, what do y'all want me to do? Y'all want me to just not eat, bro? Come on. And we gonna do a food review, matter of fact, food review segment of the video. Oh, and obviously we're not in the truck no more. We're home. Not home, but in the car. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Ain't doing whatever I want to. Yes. Shut the mouth on the chest. Usually I scroll on TikTok, but I'm gonna just talk to y'all this time. Alright, is that cool with y'all? And hopefully they don't skimp me on the sauce, because I will spin through the drive-thru and beat somebody up. I don't care if I gotta beat Chick-fil-A up. Chick-fil-A. Whoa. They put a K in Chick-fil-A, y'all. It's C-H-I-C-K. Filet. They just did that? Or that's been like that?
Mr. J?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
You too. Let's make sure they ain't play with the sauce. Why? You know how you can know if your meal gonna hit or not? A fry. If the fry is bad, the meal probably gonna be bad. The fry gotta be fresh. That's my type of little shit right there. Alright, my type of little shit. Now I gotta park up. Eat. Nice, crispy, fresh. You know what I'm saying? All that. And if you're wondering, I usually don't go strawberry shake on them. But for some reason, I was feeling strawberry shake today. Turn the AC on a little bit. Crack the sunroof. All right, now let's get right. Weighing mac and cheese. But we gonna start with the sandwich. I'm gonna taste everything for y'all, all right? Live review. Let's talk about it. Looks. Y'all gotta check my chicken out. The chicken look good. They give me 2 tomatoes. I go 1 tomato on them. 1 tomato. And then I take out a piece of lettuce and I go 1 piece of lettuce too. Good proportions. They give me 1 funky pickle. I usually appreciate the 2 pickles, but they give me 1. It's all right. You gonna lose some points for that today, Chick-fil-A. Buns ain't really warm. I ain't gonna lie. Bun is not warm. Bun is actually a little cold, in fact. Chick-fil-A sauce on a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Let's try it. Now let's eat it and rate it 1 through 10. I'm glad. Let's try it though for real. Gotta get a dip. Never fails, y'all. Never fails. We go fries in the door with it. I already told y'all the fry was good. We gotta try the nugget though. The nuggets look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The nuggets look great. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all was able to see that, but the nuggets look great. Polynesian on the. You gotta go Polynesian on the fries and on the nuggets, y'all. We gonna go with this nug right here. Okay, let's see. They seem fresh. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Should get wicked. Mm-hmm. Oh, we gotta try fry with the Polynesian now. Hold on, I got y'all. Don't even worry about it, yeah. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Hold on. And then we gotta try the mac for y'all. The mac, I ain't gonna lie, the mac be sometimes it's missed. But let's see what it's talking about today. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. For sure. For sure. Y'all did good today. Overall. Oh, I'm tripping. The shake. I'm not usually a milkshake dude, but we're gonna see what it's talking about. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I gotta go 9 out of 9. Only because you can't go 10 out of 10 on stuff because that means nothing's better than it. And something could be better than this, you know what I'm saying? So this is a 9. Yo, if you made it this far in the video, we gotta do something. Let's see how we can expose the people who don't really be watching for real. Comment hold on. Yo. Comment you made this far in the video, comment your favorite number. Your favorite number with the explanation point behind it. Yeah. Let me see how I get home. Alright? Alright, y'all. I'm home, obviously. I'm about to go, that's for my next video, actually. What is that at the bottom? I don't know. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Yes, sir.
You come stay the night with